Alright, YouTube. So basically I have a F22B1 in my 1995 Honda Accord LX. It has 120,000 miles. Basically, this sensor, the crankshaft position sensor, got ripped in half by the alternator belt, and basically I cannot find the top part where this hooks in, like the thing that hooks into this. Basically, see, I heard it was supposed to be under this, right under the fuel rail. And I also read the wiring diagram. I still could not find it. All I could find was this big old thing. This one right here, and this one right here. None of these are the hookup for the crankshaft position sensor, though. Please comment where this could be, or send me a video, I guess, or something. I don't know. Just please comment where this could be, like a picture. I need some help. I'll send you some money PayPal if you help me get my problem fixed. Thank you. Bye.